Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my October beauty box unboxing. I am so sorry that I missed September's unboxing. Honestly, life got a little hectic and let's just leave it at that. We have Birchbox, Ipsy, Boxycharm, and Facetory. So without further ado, let's get into the video. As usual, we are starting off with a Birchbox and it is a little on the heavier side, which is pretty exciting. So let's see what we've got. I'm very curious. Oh. Okay. I guess I'll start with the largest thing that is the weightiest in here. This is the Schmidt Lang Lang and Calendula Natural Soap with exfoliating apricot seed, moisture-rich and detoxifying soap for your face and body. I actually really like this brand. I have been using like their deodorants for a while now. They actually reached out and sent me a few things like toothpaste, things like that. I haven't tried the toothpaste yet, but this is pretty cool actually. I will definitely be using this. Is this what I'm smelling? Oh, it smells really good. It's very fresh. Oh, I really like that. Ooh, I should do like soap cutting. No, I'm kidding. Next thing we have in here is from Amika. This is the Color Lock Leave-In Conditioner. Ooh, two things that I really need. I have bleached hair and I love leave-in conditioners so very much. I will definitely be using this. Next up, this is from R&Co. This is the Acid Wash ACV Cleansing Rinse. That sounds really scary. Using the bottle tip, gently squeeze directly onto your scalp. Massage into hair and scalp and leave in 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Acid wash. What? Hold on. Detoxify your scalp with this pre-shampoo treatment made with apple cider vinegar extract to break down product buildup. I don't really put product in my hair in general, so I don't really get product buildup, but yeah, very interesting. Did you guys see that? Okay, so this next product is from Derma E Essentials. It's the Overnight Peel AHA's Exfoliant Facial. I actually really like this brand a lot. They have a lot of natural ingredients. I have tried some things from this line. I haven't tried this one, however, this is the non-abrasive exfoliating treatment made with alpha hydroxide acid. After cleansing, apply an even layer at night and then rinse off in the AM. Oh, I will definitely give this a try. I like anything that, you know, you put on at night and wake up feeling more beautiful. I'm all about that. Very last thing we have in here is from iCode. This is the Liquid Eyeliner Black, and it's just a little felt tip liner. I actually have so many of these. It's super black. I actually really do like these. It's precise, smudge proof, and pitch blank. Really nice. Like I said, I have so many of these. I think I've gotten a lot in these boxes too, but they dry out eventually, so it's nice to have backups. I'm always using these. So that was everything in my Birchbox. Honestly, it's really not that bad of a box. I'm pretty impressed this month. They're all products that I will use and put to use, so nothing's gonna go to waste. I'm really excited actually. Good job, Birchbox. We'll still see about canceling you. So next up we have the Ipsy Glam Bag, and it has like this little masquerade mask on. Can you guys see that? Are you picking that up? But very interesting. Let's see what is inside. Who said nights were for sleep? Not me. I don't sleep. First thing we have in here is from Jesi. This is the Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Even brightened skin tone, natural radiant finish, blurs imperfection, enhances and prolongs foundation wear. Oh, okay. It has some color and then it shears out. No, I feel like it has like an ever so slight tint to it, but then it kind of like really shears out. I'm not getting a scent, and it does feel really nice and smooth, absorbs and then just leaves the skin feeling plump. I don't know, I'll try it out. Why not? It looks promising. I can't see anything, but it feels promising. Next thing we have in here is from Verb. This is the Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask. I'm assuming for your hair, because I think Verb is a hair, yes. After washing with Verb shampoo, you don't have to use Verb shampoo if you don't want to. They can't tell you what to do. Work formula through damp hair. Allow mask to sit on the hair for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse, use once a week or as needed. That's pretty cool. I have pretty damaged hair. I'm always looking for hair masks, like in shower hair masks, because I'm way too lazy to do it like out of the shower and like walk around looking like crazy and then washing it out. Next thing we have in here is an eyeshadow brush, and this is from Inmo Cosmetics. I hope I'm saying that correctly, but this is actually kind of a cute brush. The handle is like this geometric gold. How am I having such a hard time right now opening this? So it's not the most expensive feeling brush. It's very, very light. This is not made of metal. It's like plastic or something. It's not bad. I can always use like little Packer eyeshadow brushes. It's very, very soft. So that's nice. Definitely it will go into my collection. Alright, next thing we have in here feels like a single eyeshadow. It's a bronzer. This is from The Balm Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer. I've literally never heard of that before. It's in the shade Oliver. Okay, that's not a terrible size, but, and actually that's a really, really pretty color. I'm gonna give it a little swatcheroni. Ooh, very, very soft. I love the color. So smooth. Okay. Okay, I'm definitely gonna give that a try. I really like it. Last thing we have in here is Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. First of all, this is adorable. Like, this is the like tiniest little foundation bottle. But second of all, like, how do they like shade match? What if I was much, much deeper? Or much, much like fairer? Does everyone just kind of get the same color? I don't know. This is in the shade R230, which I highly doubt is going to be my shade. Yeah, Jess, good job. Do it like right over the bronzer. Let's try again. My hands are so dry, you guys. So, that is what it looks like. It's a... honestly, it could probably work. I feel like the undertone is like a little pinky for me, but I don't think it's like the worst thing, but like I still don't. If you get like this month's Ipsy, please let me know like if you got this foundation and if it's in like your shade, a different shade, or the same shade, because that's like really, I'm very curious. That was everything for October's Ipsy, and honestly, not a terrible bag. I will definitely be using everything, probably besides the foundation. I mean, I've tried the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundations many, many times. I have them in like my own shades, so I guess it's not like a total fail. I'm just still so confused. But everything else I'm pretty excited about. I will definitely be giving them a try. I'm really excited about this bronzer. I'll be using the little mask, this primer, and the brush. So overall, not a terrible bag. Alright, so now we move on to Boxycharm. As usual, I have a link where you can sign up down below. It is an affiliate link. You don't have to use it if you don't like to, but if you would like to, thank you very much in advance. I literally cut the tape on my Boxycharm and it like literally is barely staying closed, so I'm very excited to see what is in here. It's a little postcard. Ooh, oh. Okay. The first thing we have in here is from IT Cosmetics. This is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I think I have this. I'm pretty sure I've had this and tried it. I don't remember how I feel about it. Ew. It's a very, very interesting wand. But yeah, that's pretty cool. This is like a full-size mascara. I will definitely be throwing this into my collection because you can never have enough mascara, honestly. Next thing in here is from Dermovia. Lace Appeal with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. 2 lace masks. Okay. There's like a tube in here of probably like the product, and then you have like the lace mask that you kind of like put behind your ear and it like pulls your skin back. I've seen these masks before, but I've never tried them before. When I do this, I will definitely like put it on my story or something, because how can I not? This looks really fascinating. All right, next up we have a product from Pharmacy. It's the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, made exclusively for Boxycharm. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow. Ooh, this is quite a large tub, and that's a beautiful color. It's like pistachio green, but oh, I want to eat this. It smells so good. Like lime. It smells like lime. Oh, yum. This looks really cool and promising. I'm definitely going to give this a try, and it smells freaking fantastic. So next up, we have the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lolita, which is classic. I'm pretty sure I've had this color, and I'm pretty sure I have it somewhere in my collection. Haven't used it in a million years. But it's a really pretty shade, and it's definitely a Jess shade. It's like a deeper like mauve tone. Let me take it out. This is what it looks like. That's pretty cool. It's a full-size liquid lipstick. I haven't used the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks in a really long time, but but I remember them not being the worst or like the most drying, so yeah. The very last thing we have in here is from Pure. This is the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Ooh, look at this packaging. Dang it, I'm gonna need my little mini scissors. I'm surprised they haven't already come out. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I wasn't expecting it to be on both sides, so that's pretty interesting. I love this beautiful like lace pressed detail on that. So I'm assuming these are the eyeshadows, and then these are like the blushes and stuff like that. I'm going to swatch a few because let's start with the eyeshadows. This blue and olive green are speaking to me. Ooh, that is really pretty. Let's put that right. Oh, not bad, not bad. Very beautiful. And now I'm going to take one of these blushes, and I'm assuming this one's like a highlighter. Ooh. This also looks promising. Oh, I would wear that as an eyeshadow. I don't know if I'd wear that as a blush because it's like really coppery and bronzy glowy, but this one's actually a really pretty highlight color. It's like a nice light champagne gold. Okay, not bad. I'm actually pretty impressed with this palette. I'll definitely give this a try, but that's pretty cool. I still don't get how there's like so many full-size products in here, but I'm very excited to try these two like skincare products. I definitely have tried these two, and then this face and eye palette looks really pretty, so I'll definitely give that a try as well. So yes, that was not bad. So lastly, we have Facetory, and it looks like they did a little collaboration with Aja Dang. I hope I'm saying that correctly. But this is so cute. We have little postcards in here. They always give me a little coupon code to give you guys mesijesibeauty for your subscribers to get 20% off their first subscription box order. Are these stickers? Oh my goodness, I love little stickers. These are so freaking adorable. I also really love the design of this box. It's like so cute. So today we have a little yellow face mask burrito. Even the bottom of the box is adorable. This first sheet mask is actually from Facetory. It looks like they made their own, which is pretty awesome. Glow Baby Glow Brightening and Soothing Mask. It's a step 1 and step 2-er, and that is really cute actually. I didn't know that they made their own sheet mask. Next one is from Kiyomi White Mulberry Hydration 1 sheet mask made in Korea. This one brings instant hydration and a life to dull, tired looking skin. Me. Oh, this one is interesting. It's see-through, and you can like see the like serum, the mush in there. This is the Seaweed Silky Mask. Aims to deliver a healthy and trouble-free skin with its cool down and protein replenishment features. Ooh, very, very interesting. I love the packaging. I just want to play with these. They're so squishy. All right, next one is from G9 Skin. This is the Banana Milk Balm Mask. This mask supplies your skin with nutrients to rough, dry skin and helps maintain your skin moist and smooth. Helps maintain your skin moist and smooth. Something about that sentence doesn't... Maybe it's just me. Next up, we have the Dr. Glowderm, I'm not gonna even pronounce that, whitening mask. And this, oh wow, there's just a lot of different writing in different languages and codes and formulas, and I don't know what's happening here. This is going to improve the appearance of your enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, and hydrate your skin as well, and help the moisture levels. So that's pretty cool. We can always need a little extra moisture in our skin, especially in this winter time. Low-key like 90 degrees outside still. Next up, we have the Mediskin Intensive Moisture and Calming Mask Pack with hyaluronic acid, ceramide, tea tree leaf extract, and centella asiatica. Okay. Oh god, my foot went numb. The last mask we have is the Meg 2-Step Jelly Mask. Oh, this is very interesting. There's something in here. What is this? It's a swab. Again, this is a hydrating, moisturizing, and a calming mask. I think pretty much all of these, I think, were calming, moisturized, hydration masks. Those were all the masks. Those were all my boxes. My foot, oh god, it's so numb. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Instagram, Makeup by Jesi. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. Also, hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.